Hey everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw Oswald the Lucky Rabbit. Let's get started in the center of our page with the eyes. So on the left side I'm going to draw an oval. Starting from the top, curve around to the bottom, and then back to the top. Now I'm going to leave a gap in the center and do the same thing on the right. So let's line at the top of the eye and draw that same sized oval. Let's go in and fill the eyes in black. Now in line with the bottom edge of the eyes, I'm going to move towards the center and draw the nose, so it's a sideways oval. Starting from the center, and go around, and then back in. Again, we're going to fill the nose in black. Now let's move down and draw a large smile. So to the left of the eye, we'll step over, we'll curve down in the middle, just underneath the nose, work our way back up towards the right side. Now at the ends, I want to add a bracket. Stepping over, we're just going to curve over the corner of the mouth. We'll do that on both sides. Now from here, we're going to draw the lower part of the mouth. We're going to step in. Starting on the left, we're going to draw a half circle. Going down, and then back up on the right side. And then inside, we're going to add the tongue. So starting on the left side here, we're going to draw a curve. Going up, and then down in the middle. We're going to step back to create an overlap. We're going to go up, and then down towards the right. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now we're going to thicken up the lower lip. So on the left side, we're going to curve around the base of the mouth and go up on the right side. Now we're going to draw on the head in underneath the lower lip. So it's a big circle. So we start on the left side, I'm going to step down, curve around towards the left. Now I'm going to work my way up towards the top. Towards the top of the circle. Back around towards the side. I'm just checking to make sure that the circle is correct. Curve down and tuck this in on the right side. Now in the center of the head, we're going to step down, start with a point. From this point, I'm going to curve up and out towards the left. Rounding that out. Go back to the center and do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to go in and fill that in black as well. Now let's move to the side. Just moving over, we curve around. Now we're going to pull this in, aiming towards the eye. Now I'm going to curve around the corner of the mouth, going up, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line at the top, curve down, then in towards the eye, then curving up and around towards the side of the head. We're going to fill those two areas in black. Now let's move to the top and draw on the two ears. We're going to curve these over towards the right. Starting at the top on the left side here, we're going to curve out towards the left. I'm just going to bring that over towards the right. I want to round out the ear. Rounding this out and pulling this back in. Now I'm going to taper the ear as we come towards the head. Curving in. I'm just going to pull that in. We're going to do the same thing on the right. Starting up here, go up, curve this over towards the right. Round out the ear. Now again, we're going to taper this back in towards the head. Now we're going to fill the ears in later. Let's move down and draw on the arms. We're going to start on the side of the lip on the left side. Start with the upper part of the arm, curving out and then up towards the wrist. We'll do the same thing on the right, curving out and then up. Now because we're going to be filling the hands and the arms in black, I'm going to overdraw the palm. So it's a circle. Starting from here, I'm going to round out the hand. I'm just going to pull this in towards the wrist on the opposite side. From here I want to curve down and in. We're going to taper the arm as it comes in. Down. I'm just going to pull that up to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the circle of the palm. Come into the wrist. Now we're going to curve this down and then taper up towards the body. Now let's go back to the left side. I'm going to draw on the fingers around the palm. Starting up here, we're going to draw an oval, curving in and then back in towards the palm. Now we're going to draw 3 fingers pointing outwards. Starting up here, we'll draw one oval, leave a little gap, draw the second finger, leave another gap, and we'll draw the third finger on the end. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting with the thumb, we're pointing this one inwards. Now the fingers are going to be pointing out towards the right, so stepping over. Start with the first finger, leave a gap, draw the second finger, and then the third. Let's move back in and draw on the side of the body. Starting on the left, I'm going to curve out and then down towards the waist. Now the body is rounded along the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to curve out and we'll just pull that in. Now up at the waistline, we're going to step down and draw the edge of the pant. Curving down and then back up on the right. Now from the bottom corner of the hip, I'm going to draw a short angled line going out towards the bottom of the shorts. Now I'm going to curve this down and in, leaving a large gap in the center. Curve down and into right about there. Now we're going to angle back up with a short line. Now we're going to close off the center with a curve, coming down and then back up. Now let's tuck the legs in underneath the shorts. From the inside corner, we're going to step out. Start with a short angled line going out towards the inside of the knee on both sides. Now we're going to angle down and in towards the heel with a straight line. Now from the heel, I'm going to curve the bottom of the foot, curving down and up towards the toe. From the toe, we're going to curve the top of the foot, coming up and in. Now we're going to curve this down and in towards the ankle. I'm going to leave a gap on the inside. Now let's trace the leg on the outside. Starting up here, we're going to go up and out towards the knee, and we'll pull that up in underneath the shorts. Let's do the same thing on the right. And go up in behind the shorts. We're going to finish this off by coloring all the areas in black, and that's pretty much it. There we have it. There's Oswald, the lucky rabbit. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.